What's going on YouTube? I'm making this Monday night, 8:50 p.m. Pacific, and we are going to go over what we've seen the last couple days. And like you can see right off the bat, let's just say with Bitcoin, right? We have been not really doing much except moving, I guess, on this trend line. Yes, kind of, slowly but surely going up. Nothing too crazy. I mean, we're talking total of 11% over, almost a week. I mean, yeah, Monday to Monday. We came up to tap this resistance on Sunday and immediately fell right back down. We currently this morning, we did run up a little, tap back into that, came right back down. Now we are, actually my Ethereum trade that I took is now tapping into the zone. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETH, and ETH. All of them. Might need to close all of them. Let's just kind of see if we can get down to 1875. But yeah, I mean, I don't have high hopes that this is gonna hold or anything like that. Also, Solana, I got in this morning on a long, did break above, I guess, technically, and then immediately dropped. And I got out of it. It was just an in and out move. Like literally at the bottom of that is a little 3.5-ish%. But what I want to make very clear is we have a lot more coming. I'm looking at Sui right now, honestly. It's moving pretty quick. Honestly, it doesn't look bad. What is that coin? Yeah, okay. So, this is where we're at right now. And if we can, I mean, I don't think we're going to obviously break above here. It's like everything's in the same position as everything else. It's all needing to break above everything. It's not going to do that. So now we're just at a spot where I believe we're probably going to have the drop down to the levels that we've been talking about for a very long time, which is 74 to 70,000 on BTC, okay? Which then would put, like, let's say Sui probably at $1.50, something like that. Honestly, as we speak right now, this short idea, I like that the money flow is going to the bottom, called red X, and it is quickly dropping from this, but I know it's not the best time of day, so I'm not gonna take it, but just saying. Dude, bitfunded.com has been struggling. It's been lagging all the time, but let me talk about something else that really matters and really will get your mind on the right track. So, by the way, follow me on X at All In With Mitch, same as YouTube and TikTok. And what I'm trying to say here is we have more and more and more and more bullish news. I mean, even fucking North Korea established the strategic Bitcoin reserve now, and they hold $1 billion in BTC. Wednesday is going to be super, super, super important. We have the interest rates. I don't think we're going to get an interest rate cut, but obviously, if that happens, it's, a slam dunk. And we will go bullish as fuck for at least a little while. It maybe be enough to break out of the major resistance levels and push us higher. But or what was it? Yesterday? Let me see. So, follow me on X. I'm constantly reposting or posting a lot of good stuff. Okay. This right here. This was yesterday. Someone shorted BTC at, where was it? 83,000. Yeah. 83,000. But this is what's really fucking strange. He went long on Melania coin, and it's like, who the fuck would go and he used almost $500,000 on it? It's crazy. Super, super weird. But hear me out. He tried shorting BTC at 83,446, and a lot of people were a little worried because look at his first take profit zone of 69,000. The second TP zone, and he opened a short for almost $400 million. Okay, this isn't just some chump change. Second TP is 58,000. 100% knows something, maybe. That's what everyone was saying. So, fast forward to, and yes, Michael Saylor is about to buy 21 billion of Bitcoin. Maybe, I mean, we never know if this is 100% true. Group of whales pumped BTC and $1,500 in 5 minutes to liquidate the 40x short at 85,000, but he added 5. So the bunch of group people on X got together and started pumping BTC, and that's what you saw here. And we got back up to 85,000 up here, and it wicked up there, and then immediately dropped down. But they made him increase another 5 million to increase his liquidation price to 86,000. Obviously, it didn't work out. Another thing came out about Hayden Davis, the guy that created the Libra token and the Melania token, is now suspected making Wolf token rumored to have ties to Jordan Belfort's Wolf of Wall Street, as expected before the crash. Insiders and managed to profit. The whale is now in 1.5 million unrealized losses on his $400 million Bitcoin short. But I'll be honest with you, I don't see how, because he got in. That doesn't make sense to me. Unless it's got to be two different people, because one of them was at like 85,000, I thought, something like that. So yeah, one of them at 85. But anyways, so rate cut on Wednesday. Hopefully that would be amazing. I have a feeling they're probably gonna stay the same for now. We have all types of bullish news that is just building the momentum. Just building and building and building momentum. And what? Phantom does not. I don't think this. I don't think Phantom has I don't know about all this. Because I've never heard of a phantom airdrop. I don't know about this. I don't know about all this. Never heard anything about it. But anyway, sorry. Oh wow. Look at that. It's crazy.
Summit today, and he's one of the members who's been advising the Trump transition team since the campaign.
I mean, it's just more and more bullish. I just want you guys to understand that this is just more and more of a shakeout. All right. I need you guys to just tighten your seat belts, fasten your seat belts, sorry, and just stay the course because I'm gonna take this short. Fuck it. I like it. I'm willing to give this a try. Small stop loss, 2.4 will be my stop loss. And 2.21. For now, I'm going to put 2.2. I don't like that. Okay. We're going to try this out. We're going to see how this plays out, but we'll check back with it tomorrow. I mean, obviously, the Ethereum and Bitcoin shorts that we're in are obviously in profit. For you that don't know, this is WeX. I started this small account on my channel with you guys, and we're slowly building it. Look at the buying volume coming in. A lot of buying volume coming in. But I really just want you guys to stay positive and not get caught up in all the hype. And, you know, this is a great time to build on your portfolio. I know, you know, it might not be the absolute bottom, but guess what? Nobody can time the absolute tops and the absolute bottoms. I don't care who you are. You cannot get perfect every time timing the bottoms. It's just unheard of. So if anyone tells you that they can do that continuously, it's different if, you know, you catch the bottom one time or something like that. Like, but people trying to tell you they can do that repeatedly, it's full of shit. All right. So this is why right now we're in accumulation phase on the second wave, and I want to actually really show you guys what I'm talking about. You go to the daily, right? We had, hold on. We had the first leg up, okay? Boom. Hold back, boom. Now on that next one. Boom. We're ready to accumulate. So what I'm trying to point out here. Okay, so you know, rally, base, rally, accumulation here, accumulated, then ran, and then ran higher. Okay. Now we're pulling back, accumulating on this next leg, but I believe it's going to come down to 70,000. Okay. And I believe we could accumulate. Let's see how long. I know this was March to, I'm going to assume November, the long accumulation phase. I don't think we're going to accumulate this long this time. I really don't. And I think that we're going to definitely probably dump, accumulate, and then rally. And I think 130 on this fib right here. It's probably, it might become the top. It might be the top of the zone. Don't know if we're gonna run like we did, or it is much. I mean, you gotta remember though, we've been running since 15,000, 16,000. Like, dude, we went from 16,000. Like, it's not everyone's fault that, you know, probably, oh man, I don't even know how much of a percent of the people buying Bitcoin waited to start buying Bitcoin at, let me get a fresh chart, waited to start buying Bitcoin at fucking, you know, 90K, 100K, you know, like, this isn't, the people that timed this market, they were buying after this little breakout. They started buying in this 20,000. Some people bought down at 16,000 all day long, 18,000, 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50, 60, and they've just been buying because they know what the fuck Bitcoin does. The only people that want to bitch and complain now are the people that did not, or they waited, sorry, they did not buy down there, and they started buying at 90 to 100K or even 108K if you were like really crazy. But here, I mean, I'll admit, I started buying some altcoins at the worst times. I did get trapped on some altcoins, but I was buying XRP at 30 cents. Like, I knew what it would do. And Solana at $10, $20. I mean, I knew what it would also do. And now people really, well, here's the thing. We didn't have an official altcoin rally. And I get it. It's strange. It's not normal. Okay. Like, yeah, Solana and stuff did run from $8 up to $295, whatever. Like, we did, but you're looking at this chart and you're like, dude, we have another rally higher. So now, you know, I'm still in high hopes. Solana, for example, 400 or 500 a coin. Ethereum, on the other hand, has been a little lagged, but I think a $5,000 or $6,000 Ethereum is still in the books. But here's the other catch. If you guys did forget, we broke the all-time high before the fucking halving. That has never happened in history. We broke this all-time high right here at 68. We've never, ever broke the all-time high before the halving. So, and that blue line, by the way, right here, that is where the halving was. So, you look back here, we definitely did not break all-time highs at any other point. This is a new thing. So, you guys need to remember that when you're freaking out, because what I'm telling you is, nothing has to always go according to plan. Yes, history did repeat itself a lot, but this bull run and every bull run has a slight little difference. And I'm still in high hopes. I don't like even 2017 bull run. We just rallied, hit the top, and then done. The 2021 bull run, 2020 to 2021, we rallied, 50% pullback, then came back higher just a little bit. So that was different. Okay, we had a 2-wave rally. It is possible that now that there's so much big money in crypto, especially Bitcoin and the altcoins, that we might have the longest cycle. It's not going to be a 4-year cycle. Maybe we're going to have, for the first time ever, we're going to have our, I don't know, maybe it goes into 5, like all the way into 2026. We have a 5-year cycle. Yes, there's economic fundamental reasons that we could also have a little bit of a slowdown because of what's going on in the economy in the United States right now. There's a lot of fear and uncertainty. A lot of people want to see interest rates come down. They want to see, there's a list of things that are making people uncertain in the markets, okay? And look at that, Sui's doing okay right now. Oh no, kind of, I don't know, it tapped. Ooh, maybe not. But there's so much uncertainty right now, and we're just gonna have to wait and see, guys. We really don't know what's to come for sure. None of us officially do, but I really want you to think about all the shit that's happening behind closed doors right now. There's a lot of, oh yeah, by the way, gold hit 3,000 today. 3,011. Highest it's ever been. Oh wow, the SP 500 is breaking out pretty well. This is crazy. I feel like it's running better than what we got. Look at that, tapped right into our zone. I didn't take the trade, but I marked it up. VIX is down. The US dollar is still maintaining this level on the daily, and we gotta break it. This green box, but yeah, gold is just killing it. Silver's, doing decent. But all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and upload it for you. I just wanted to touch base with you. I know I didn't record the last few days, and I need to get this out to you guys. I need to continuously post every day for you. All right. So stay disciplined and stay focused. Do not give up. Good things are coming. I promise you, in crypto. Yeah, and the stocks too. I truly believe stocks will recover. But have a good night, guys. I'll talk to you soon.